My beloved child, my precious son, my cherished daughter, I am your father, the one who formed you with a love that flows deeper than the seas, brighter than the heavens, eternal as my own heart. Before the first sunrise kissed the earth, before your soul drew its first breath, I knew you, I loved you, I called you mine. I am here speaking softly to your heart, drawing near with a tenderness that never wanes. My voice reaches you through the longings of your soul, through the dreams you hold, through every hope you carry. Come, my child, rest in my presence. Let me fill you with the promise of my prosperity, a gift of abundance woven with my love. My daughter, I see the desires of your heart, the yearning for a life filled with goodness, provision, and peace. I know the moments when you've wondered if my blessings will flow, if your needs will be met, if your dreams will find their place in this world. Perhaps you've felt the weight of lack, the fear that there won't be enough resources, enough strength, enough time. Maybe guilt lingers, whispering that you don't deserve my favor, or doubt creeps in, questioning whether I see your struggles. I see the times when you've worked tirelessly yet felt uncertain, wondering if my hand is truly at work in your life. But my son, I want you to know that I am the God of abundance, the one who delights in prospering you. My prosperity is not merely the wealth of the world, but a richness of spirit, a fullness of life, a joy that overflows from my heart to yours. I see your needs, and I am faithful to provide. I know your dreams, and I am weaving them into my plans. Your efforts are not unseen, your faithfulness not unnoticed. I am working, my child, to bring you into a season of blessing, where your soul finds peace, your needs are met, and your heart is filled with gratitude. Trust me, for I am the one who opens streams in the desert, who brings harvests from barren places. You were created to thrive, to live in the abundance of my love, to walk in the fullness of my purpose. My prosperity for you is a life rooted in my presence, where your heart is satisfied, your hands are fruitful, and your spirit is at rest. I am not a God of scarcity, but of overflowing grace. Let go of the fear that you'll fall short, the worry that you're unworthy. Come to me with your needs, your hopes, your dreams. I am listening, and I am working to pour out blessings that will reflect my goodness in your life. If my promise stirs your soul, pause and type in the comments, I trust your prosperity, God. Let those words be a seed of faith, and know I'm listening. My beloved, you are mine. You are not defined by your struggles, your doubts, or your fears of lack. You are my child, chosen and loved, a vessel for my blessings, a reflection of my heart. I see your worth, your potential, your beauty, even when you cannot. I am with you, guiding you, filling you with my abundance. Prosperity is my promise to you, my precious child, not just for your hands, but for your heart, your soul, your life. Rest in me, for I am your Father, and I will never stop providing for you, loving you, leading you into the fullness I have planned. My beloved child, my precious son, my cherished daughter, as I hold you close, know that my heart is pouring out prosperity over you, blessings of peace, provision, and purpose. I am your Father, always working, always providing, always loving you. Rest in my promise, let my abundance fill your soul, and trust that I am with you, always. You are mine, and I will lead you into the fullness I have planned. If this message has lifted your heart, I invite you to share it with others. Leave a like to spread this hope, subscribe to this channel for more messages of faith and love, and share this video with the 10 people you love most, so they too can know my provision. Type in the comments, I trust your blessings, God, and let your soul proclaim it. I'm here, my child, and I see you.